The Allied Health Education and Discovery Program is a program the School of Health Professions and Sciences has been offering to our community for 6 years. We are so proud of that. It is a 5-day program where local high school students can come and learn about all the different healthcare professions that we offer at LSU Health Shreveport. Over the course of 5 days, the students learn about a health profession, at least one or two every single day. So we learn about PA and nursing and respiratory therapy and medical laboratory sciences. They learn about physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech-language pathology. And what's really special about it is that they learn about these careers. They do interactive activities with the different faculty and professions. For instance, today they're going to learn about PA, and they are doing suturing and ultrasound. And this afternoon we're going to take a field trip to the anatomy lab. And what's really special about this program is we don't just tell you about all the different professions, we also educate you on the path. You're in high school now and you love PA, that's great. But these are also the steps that you need to take as a high school student over the next 5 to 10 years to be a PA someday out working in the field. On behalf of the School of Health Professions and Sciences, thank you to everyone that has shown support for the AHEAD program over the past 6 years. We are proud to boast that we've had 250 students come through this program, and it's really been a team effort.